Mike is back with another video. Today we're gonna take a look at Alpine speakers. As you can see, I did the review about the Alpine speakers. I installed on my Fusion the 4 Alpine speakers, 2 tweeters, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the distance test and the play, clarity, all that stuff, right? Let's take a look. What is that? So 6.5 on the front right here. So 6.5 on the back door here. Those are Alpines. This is the components with the tweeters, right? So we have a tweeters here on this stock place. I just utilize the stock bracket, so it's gonna be exactly the same place. But Alpine is the 4, only the 6. On the middle I have also the speakers. I didn't touch that. And on the back I have a 2 6x9. On the back I have a 2 6x9s here. On the middle also is like a speaker. I didn't touch them. These 2 6x9s are subwoofers, right? So maybe later on I'm gonna, if I find how to cut the subwoofer, the filter, I will put the Alpine 6x9s there, so it's gonna be even louder. This vehicle has a Sony upgraded sound system, separate amplifier. That's why you can go with the Alpine Type S. And we're gonna play now the sound quality, and you're gonna see it like difference, right? Let's do it. Alright, as you can see, a little windy day, and of course you're gonna do the sound denting and install the foam around the speaker, so it's gonna be the audio, it's gonna be projection a lot nicer. This is a busy highway, that's why my the microphone is gonna be just compensate all the noise and the wind also. but we're gonna see how it came up after I upload the video, right? Definitely watch my other videos, guys, when I install on my F-150 4J Infinity Capas with the amplifier, aftermarket amplifier, all the full setup with the subwoofers, right? That one is going to be sounding like a next level. And my Tahoe, of course, is going to be sounds better than the Alpines, because just a vehicle, the volume, the doors, all that stuff, right? And the speaker itself. And the Tahoe also, I have a more powerful amplifiers, the stock amplifiers. That's why they rock and roll those JBLs like no tomorrow, right? The next video, it's going to be Tahoe, exactly the same place, the same music, but this is more than enough for us, like a 80%, guys. But the Alpine Type S, for now, it's really good speaker for the price you guys paying. I'm out also in the next video, guys.